afternoon! What a lovely day! Check that out. Today I'm going out with my friends and we're probably going to be out for this entire afternoon. So I want to test out this little ultrasonic gadget here and see how well it hydrates my skin and what it does for my semi-oily skin. Okay, so I just washed my face and I have nothing on at this moment. Let me just wipe it off first. Alright. But before any treatment, firstly, I want to test out my moisture level and my oil level. Let's see. Alright. Is it working? Oh my god! I'm like 47% water level and 22% oil level. So it's like already perfect right now. Next, I'm going to prep my skin. I'm gonna apply this Hydra Serum, just drip a little bit, and then dab it on my face. It's got witch hazel extracts and hyaluronic acid, so it hydrates my skin, controls oil production, and treats breakouts. Alright, a little bit more. Okay. That should be enough, right? Alright, so I'm gonna give myself the purple treatment and then go to the maximum energy level. Alright. Ooh, okay. I can already hear a little bit buzzing. Alright. I think you can just like move it like this and then move in circular motions like that. Like small circles on your chin as well. And just maybe a little bit circular motions on my forehead as well. Now I can definitely feel like it's heating up a little bit. Feels kind of good actually. And then lifting. And then maybe do a little bit lifting. It's getting a little bit warmer, I think. Okay, that's my 20 minutes for today. Check out my skin. Isn't it glossy? Alright, now I think I'm ready to go, but before I go, I still want to test out my water level and oil level. Right, I have this here. Alright. Wow! My water level is 54% and oil is only 26%. Oh my god, it is working. Okay, let me see, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and wait until I'm back. It's been 6 hours. It's 8 o'clock at night. Let's see. I think it's a little bit oily on the nose. But overall, I think it's good. Alright, now let's test the moment of truth. Alright. Okay. Wow. Water still stays strong, 52%. And then my oil is like only 3% up, so it's like 29. Not bad. Okay, that's my review on this ultrasonic gadget here. It combines both hydration and oil production, so it's like perfect for oily and acne-prone skin like mine. Well, with this pandemic and summer heat, isn't it great to have your skin fresh all day long? Alright, try it at home, and if you have any comments, leave it down below. See you next time. Bye!